In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add smooth transitions in Higgsfield. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from one clip to the next with a clean, polished effect using the built-in Transitions tool. First, open your browser and head to the Higgsfield website. Before you start, make sure you have your two video clips saved and easy to find. It helps to label them clearly so you know which one should play first and which should follow. A stable internet connection will also speed things up during processing. Once you're on Higgsfield, look for the Apps section. This is where all the creative tools live. Open Apps, then use the search bar at the top to find Transitions. Just type Transitions and select the Transitions tool from the results. If you're new to the layout, think of Apps as your toolbox and Transitions as the specific tool we're using today. Inside the Transitions tool, you'll upload your two clips. Start by uploading the first clip, the one you want to play at the beginning, and then upload your second clip. The order matters because the transition will bridge the end of the first clip into the start of the second. For the smoothest results, make sure both files have similar resolution and frame rate, and keep your clips trimmed to the exact in and out points you want before uploading. Next, choose the transition that matches your style. You'll see options like simple crossfades, directional wipes, zooms, and other stylized effects. A good rule of thumb is to pick something that complements the mood of your footage. For example, a gentle crossfade works well for interviews and storytelling, while a faster whip or slide can energize action or travel footage. If a preview is available, give it a quick look to confirm it feels right. When you're happy with your selection, click Generate. Higgsfield will process the clips and apply the transition automatically. Keep the tab open while it works. Processing time usually depends on the length and resolution of your clips, but for most short edits it should be fairly quick. Once generation finishes, your transition is ready. Watch the result to confirm it flows the way you intended. If you want a different vibe, simply return to the Transitions tool, pick another style, or swap the clip order for a new feel, and generate again. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and professional. Thanks for watching. If this helped, practice with a few different clips and styles so you can pick the perfect transition every time.